The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2024 Toyota Tacoma Short Bed with the Retrax PRO XR tonneau cover. If you want to see a video of just the cover by itself, we'll link to it in the description below. But this is the Rhino-Rack Reconn-Deck complete crossbar system. So the RLT600 leg set has a quick release feature. Locks are included as well. So a great way to be able to either adjust the crossbars or remove them if you need to carry longer, taller payload in your bed cover. The Reconn-Deck bar is a new bar from Rhino-Rack, a much more substantial bar over their previous offerings. More material, a much more rigid design, T-tracks on both, not only the top, but the bottom and the sides, so connecting accessories either on the sides or maybe on the bottom gives you a lot more options. So a great system for maybe rooftop tents. You may have conflict with some other more recreational oriented accessories, kayak mounts, bike mounts, cargo boxes, but if it's T-slotted, you should be able to adapt that to it, with case by case circumstance. In addition to those previous parts I mentioned, our kit does include spacers to help clear the handle of the Retrax cover. So if you don't have them, not the end of the world, the handle can hit, you can fold it down to cross each bar, but this way it's just free travel with no issues. So if you want to purchase this complete system without missing any parts, we'll link to it in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.